Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. This year, Apple is preparing one of the most exciting photo innovations of recent years with the iPhone 18 Pro. According to the latest news data, for the first time ever, the new iPhone 18 Pro will feature a camera similar to those used in professional cameras. What will this mean in practice? Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. While the company has previously focused primarily on improved sensors and computational photography, this time it's also planning to touch on optics. According to the latest information, the iPhone 18 Pro and 18 Pro Max will feature the first ever variable aperture lens and new upgrades. If you're unfamiliar with the term variable aperture, it's not a software feature. It's a mechanical system that allows you to change the size of the lens opening, allowing more or less light to reach the sensor as needed. Today, all iPhones have a fixed aperture, so Apple primarily influences the final image using software. But with a variable aperture, you have much greater control over your shots. In practice, this should offer several advantages. When shooting in low light, you'll be able to open the aperture wider and capture more light, resulting in higher quality images, with less noise. Conversely, on a sunny day, you'll be able to close the aperture, resulting in sharper images across the entire scene, and the lens will handle even very bright light better. A major advantage should also be more natural background blur, which won't be as dependent on the program's portrait mode. However, it should be noted that one shouldn't expect miracles on the level of DSLR or mirrorless cameras from this new product. The iPhone sensor is still significantly smaller than that of traditional cameras, so the laws of physics are unavoidable. Nevertheless, it's a step in the right direction, and the combination of improved optics and computational photography could take results to an even higher level. Ultimately, it's all about the connection between hardware and software. Apple has been developing its photographic philosophy for a long time. Interestingly, this technology has been rumored since 2024. However, only now is more and more information emerging from the supply chain, suggesting that variable aperture technology is truly ready for mass production. So, it will happen this year. The iPhone 18 Pro will be the first Apple phone to offer a feature we're mostly familiar with from professional cameras. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.